Okay, my people, una welcome back to my channel. So today I go dey show una how I make this fish roll when the taste dey amazing and na wetin you go like to do. And if you try am, you go love am. Okay, make we start this video. So this na the list of the ingredients wey I go dey use. I go use my baking powder, my nutmeg, my flour, my margarine wey we dey use for this side as butter, my curry, and I no go forget to use my thyme. I will use this ones to take season my fish. And my full recipe, the measurement, everything I go put am for my description. So na the fish wey I go use for this fish pie be this. And the pepper when you see now I go take put for inside the fish when I wan sauce am. Then I go use onions, ginger and garlic. So to season my fish, I go go in with my pepper when dey very hot. I go go in with my ginger wey I don grate and garlic. I go also go in with my onion. I no go forget my curry wey dey very necessary for this recipe to give your fish another flavour. Like if you go like the flavour wey this curry go give your fish. I go also add my thyme, just small thyme, make everything just dey thyme. I no go forget to add my seasoning cube, which I go put only one. Then I go go in with small shikini water, cover this one. Then I go allow am to dey cook. And as we dey cook our fish, we begin to prepare our dough. So I go go in with 3 cup of all purpose flour. I go sieve this flour because some kind times you no know wetin dey inside this our flour dem. Sometimes you go see ant, sometimes you go see wetin you no understand. So the best thing na for just to sieve am, make everybody dey in the safer side. You no understand. So as we dey sieve this our flour like this, make I use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. I say make I give una this big shout out. I say I dey very grateful and I really appreciate una as I dey watch my video every time. So after that one, I go add 3 tablespoons of baking powder for this my flour. I go still sieve am because sometimes baking powder sef dey come in like stone, as if small small stone dem dey inside. But anyway we don sieve that one. I go come add half teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/4 cup of margarine. So this one now, if you get machine, if you use a machine take mix am, but me I dey use my hand. I don wash my hand very well in case people wey go come tell me say wetin make you dey put your hand inside this thing. I don give my hand better washing. So I go use my hand like this, take make sure say I spread the butter, all the mixing inside. Then I go dey go in with shikini water. I go dey add the water small small. As I dey add the water, na so I go dey mix am. As I dey add the water, na so I go dey mix am. This place dey very important o. You need to do am well so that you no go get dough wey too strong or the one wey too dey soft. You need to get the one dey in between, not too soft, not too strong. So that when you dey roll am, everything go dey go shikini, everything go dey come out very perfectly well. So as I dey do am so, na so you go take do am. Like this now my dough don ready. As e dey like this so, I go cover am, put am for inside fridge. If you no get fridge, just cover am keep with towel. If you no get towel, you fit cover am with those fancy waterproof. So make we come back to our fish. This fish now I gats turn am to the other side, make the other side sef cook, since I no put plenty water to take cook the fish. So I go cover am make the thing done well. So after the fish don done well, I go transfer am to my tray, make I go debone am. Oyibo people dey call am shred. Make I go shred am, make I comot all the bone so that I no go chop bone for inside the fish pie, fish roll wey I dey do. So I go comot everything, set am aside, then ready to pieces am. Make sure say I comot all the bone. And you see this fish head, I no go add am join because I no wan chop bone. The fish head I go chop that one later. So make I begin thank my subscribers again. I say I really appreciate But if this na your first time wey you dey come across my video, thank you for clicking o, thank you for watching. I hope say you dey enjoy the video. If you dey enjoy am, abeg let me know for comment section. And if you never subscribe to the channel, abeg try your best and subscribe. E dey free, you no go pay any money. Na just for a way for you to support me for the channel, na be that. So that being said, I say make I give everybody big thank you for those when dey come today and those when we say don dey watch for before. Hail una o, una do well. Okay, na so I go take pieces this fish o. I go pieces am like this, make sure say I comot the bone. And like this now, I don comot all the bone, then be say I fit see. Then now, I go gats go transfer my oil for inside my pot, add my onion, my pepper, small shikini thyme and small shikini curry. Then I go mix this thing well, mix am say e don fry small. I no go over fry am o, because I go still add the fish inside my pot. As e don fry small like this, I go go in with my fish. Then as I transfer my fish for pot, I begin dey stir am again. I go stir am sotey the fish go come dey dry. You go see say the fish go come dey dry. Once e don get that texture, or the oyibo call am when e don get that consis ten cy, you know say your filler don ready for your fish roll. So na wetin I dey talk be this. We set this aside. Then now we go to our dough. I will come comot this dough from this bowl. Then I go divide my dough into 11 pieces. Abi na 11 balls. So you fit divide your dough to any quantity when you want, but the smaller your dough, the smaller your meat pie. So if you want to do small meat pie, if you cut your dough very very small. If you want make your meat pie big small, you increase the dough. So na so I go take cut am till I cut everything finish. So after I cut am finish, I go need to now roll out each of them. So before you go start to roll, make sure say you pour small flour for your rolling table or any surface you want take do your dough. You pour small flour for there so that your dough no go stick to the surface. So na so I go take roll am o. I go roll am till the thing go spread finish. Then I go add my fish filling. Make I no vex for this place o, because at this point like this, my pikin don stress me out. So this dough I no roll am well. I suppose put this fish pie. I suppose put the fish for the beginning of the dough. Then from the beginning I roll am reach the ending. So if I wan do am na omo, I do am like that. Put your fish for the beginning, then you roll am to the ending so that the thing go come out very fine. So make we do this one again. As I roll am like this, I still dey my dough dey very fine. The thing just dey follow. As I dey roll am, the thing just dey obey, dey follow me. Make your dough not too strong o. If not, e go dey difficult for you to roll. So as I don do this thing like this now, when you wan do your own, you put your fish for the beginning, not the middle. This place now, this one I no dey think straight for here because my baby be dey disturb me. So when you wan do your own, put am for the beginning. Then from the beginning, you see this place now, I suppose roll am from there. The fish suppose start from that place, roll am till I reach the ending. So when you reach the ending, you go use small oil from the fish when you fry take rub the ending so that the thing go fit gum together well. So na my fish roll be this. So make I no mind the way dem dey. You know say na chop we wan chop am for house. So now I go gats go back to my frying pan. This my oil I don use am before, so I need to filter am. Then when the oil don hot small, I go go in with my fish roll one by one. Na so I go take put all of them till I go put all finish. And abeg, when you dey fry your own, make your oil not too hot. If not, before you go turn like this, your fish roll don dey burn. So not too dey good make you start with very hot oil. So na so I don dey put all my fish roll like this. Na this now I gats turn am. See am say the other side don done. And so once you go turn am, and as you turn am, once you don dey golden brown, you know say the thing don done. This place like this, not go far from your fish roll o, because if you go far before you see, we don begin burn. You see am see my own, some don dey even dey burn sef. But thank God say I catch dem quick. So like this now, e don done o. I go gats comot am from this oil, allow am make e cool. Then I go show una how my fish roll come out. Okay my people, na dem be this o. This one now dey very big big. You see as dem big, only one sef, if you chop only one, your belle come full. So like this now, see as my fish roll turn out to be. The fish is fishing. And see as the fish plenty inside. So na when don watch to this point, I appreciate o. Una bye. Thank you for watching.